Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. Today I'm back at the flying field here, a real airport. Such a nice runway, and I've got the benefit of being able to fly Abby's Trojan today. And this is an amazing airplane, at least looking. Let's get it in the air and see how it does. Have safe turned on, and boy, it took off nice and straight. Let's bring it around nice and easy. Get it right here. Well, that sun is just beautiful today, guys. We are just getting blessed with some great weather this January. Well, look how smooth that thing is flying. It is just incredible. I'm having a good time today. T28 is one of them airplanes that just everybody needs to have one in their hangar, and this one is a joy, man. Now it does have some smart technology on board for the battery and all that kind of stuff if you got a good spectrum transmitter. And I believe I'm using an NX6, and it'll tell me if the battery's getting low and that kind of stuff. We're gonna bring it around one time down low with safe on, and then I'm gonna take safe off. Well, it doesn't want to sink in there too low, but there we go, got her down along the ground. And we'll get it straight before I take safe off, because it'll want to bank really hard. There we go. That was a nice roll. We're going to do left turns. Here we go. Oh, still high. Now, unfortunately, this airplane, I'm used to dialing a lot of expo in and dual rates and all that kind of stuff, but this airplane's not quite set up that way, so I am struggling just a little bit with that, but still great flying airplane. Here we go. There's a little bit lower. Let's take it up nice and straight up, and there we bank it around. Boy, it didn't like inverted too well, so we'll take it back upright, but it'll roll for days. So for a maiden flight, this thing is flying really great. You know, if it was my airplane and I was taking it home, I would definitely put some expo in just to help me out a little bit, but that's for your own style of flying type of thing, and these guys aren't used to that, so let's bring it around and see what I can do for a landing. A little bit of a hammerhead stall there. You can see the wind just picked up right at the last second. I'll take that landing. Good. Let's bring it around. It's got the steerable nose gear, so nice and easy. And that was all without safe, of course. But if you're a newer pilot, you can always use safe to help you out. Man, look at that thing. I love the way that the star on this airplane is a little bit blue, and I'm gonna tell you, this thing looks like it'd be a great deal if you guys are looking for a T28 Trojan by E-flite. This is a great one. It works on 3S or 4S, and I was flying it on 4 today. Lots of power, and of course, if you're not up to all that power, you can go down to a 3S and it'll fly just as good. If you guys haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell, because I go live all the time, and I hate for you guys to miss a live flight, because you never know what's going to happen. I could crash, you know, I do that every once in a while, and I didn't want to do that today. This is such a beautiful airplane, and it's not mine. So if you guys don't mind, leave some comments and give me that thumbs up. And as always, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.